Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Loopring. Yeah, Loopring, time for an update. We are very close to my target area. So let's take a look at what is going on with Loopring. Loopring LRC did correct all the way down from the all-time high here in November. That was pretty much the $4 level. Yeah, we then came down in a wave 4 and moved up in one more wave 5. Then came down in a wave A, moved up in a wave B, and came down in a wave C into my yellow target area. Again, for everybody who's been with me already here for a while knows that typically in this current larger wave 2, in which most cryptocurrencies still are, maybe complete yet, maybe not, we don't really know that yet. There is still downside potential for many cryptos. But this is the area where we should see them turn around with the highest probability. We're currently with a lot of cryptos in this sort of in-between space where we might have completed the correction, but there is still downside potential because, you know, whenever you are sort of in the last meters of the correction, you just don't know. Where is the exact low? You don't know. It's all probabilities, but typically, and we can only go by probabilities, most likely the price is coming into this region between the 88, and let me zoom to the left. Oh dear, that's quite long. Go to the daily. There you go. Between the 88.7% FIB level at 46 cents and the 78.6% FIB level at 85 cents. Now, this was a very nice buying area. I had all of my buy orders set in this area, and I think all except one triggered. And yeah, I mean, everybody who's been following me with my buy orders on Discord, so all channel members can get access to my buy and sell order sheet, will also have been able to buy here at the lows. Was quite pleased with that when prices did go up quite significantly. Did a perfect turnaround here in this target area. Yeah, the problem is a little bit that the price turned around here in the middle of nowhere. So ideally, what I would like to see, should we really come down once more into this target area, which is still possible into the yellow one, yeah, and that would be the little bit more bearish scenario, then I think we are going to find support here at and that would be the worst case for me, this 48 cent level, or 46, sorry, it's the 88.7% FIB level. I think that would be still a realistic and possible low for Loopring. Yeah, I've repeatedly stated that we are not out of the woods yet. Yeah, we had not broken above the 200-day moving average and so on. But currently it's actually not looking too bad in general, because we are, so in the last video, so first of all, everything worked out here with Loopring very nicely. We saw a first impulsive wave up, so we can count this as a first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. In the last video, we were approaching here the 200-day moving average. And I told you that now after this 5-wave move, you can expect an ABC down. I gave you this green area as the target area. And since my last video, which was on the 31st of March, let's see where we were. We were already here starting to come down a little bit, getting rejected. In that video, I formulated here this target area based on Fibonacci retracement levels. So let's take a look at that. So retracement levels, you can see again for a wave 2, because this would be the first impulse, so the first larger wave 1 coming down in a wave 2. And again, in a wave 2, you would typically see the price retrace to, at a minimum, the $1 level in this case, the 50% FIB retracement. Now that was reached, but most likely here the area between the 92 cent level and the 73 cent level, so between the 61.8% FIB level and the 88.7% FIB level, and we are nearly there. And the fact that we actually broke the 50% FIB level, so already broke below the $1 level and retested it from below, I think it is quite likely that we're also going to touch the 61.8% FIB level, the 92 cent level, and then that target would be fulfilled. Bear in mind, the minimum is already reached for that correction, yeah, which was here the $1 level, but the fact that we broke it, I think is now very likely. Yeah. So here again, in my opinion, another example that TA works. A lot of people always say TA doesn't work, but in this case, again, in my opinion, it's worked out. From the 31st, we talked about that we are very likely coming down here into this region. And yeah, this will be very interesting now if we're really going to see the 92 cent level in the next few days, maybe even today, who knows. So yeah, very close there. And from here, anywhere in this target area, we could start to turn around. The price has a good chance to turn around again, and we would then start in a wave 3. So just to give you an idea here what could happen. So let's say this is here a first wave 1, then this would be a wave 2, coming up in wave 3, 4, 5, and so on. So that wave 3, that first of all, we need to get above the 200-day moving average, very important, above 132 currently. But the minimum target the price would need to reach in this move up, and otherwise it would not be a wave 3, in my opinion, would be here. So let's get there. Okay, so the minimum, oh no, sorry, that was not correct. That was not correct. It depends on how far we're now coming down here. Let's just go here with that. Yeah, the price would then need to come to at least 188 as I currently see it. $1.88, that's quite a significant increase. But for that, the price needs to turn around in the green area. What happens if the price drops through the green area? Well, if it does that, then it still has a chance to turn around, but it will get much, much less likely. It still has a chance to turn around until 65 cents. But if we go below that, I think that's it. And that immediate uptrend is already over. And I think then, yeah, 65 cents will be an important support. But if we lose that, I think we can really go down to that 46 cent level. But this is a chance to turn around and the target area for this move. And now we need to see how the price is going to react to this target area here. So it's always like, you know, you fulfill a certain wave structure and then you can formulate the target for the next wave. We are currently moving with fast pace towards it, maybe already completed it. As I said here, we already reached the 50% FIB retracement, but we are already below it as well. So chances are really that we reach this target area, and then in the target area, and I can only give you a current snapshot of the price here, of the price chart, because I don't know how the price is going to react to the target area. So it's okay, it's possible, and in my opinion, the elite wave method is the best method to predict the next price move. But you know, thinking 2 or 3 steps ahead, that is then where it's getting difficult, because I don't know yet how the price is going to react to this target area. This is certainly a very interesting area again, where I will probably start to dollar cost average into Loopring again. That area, however, is also in my larger buying area here, that larger target area in yellow. And I think we have a good chance if we go into this target area in green to find support here at the 50-day moving average. That's certainly very, very important support here at 88 cents. That would also be very, very close to the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. So far going ahead as planned here with Loopring. That means short term a little bit more downside expected, and we need to see how the price is going to react to the green target area. I'll make sure I will keep you updated about Loopring. Currently really all going ahead as planned, and no real surprises on the Loopring chart. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.